Hi, today's lesson is on data types. Let's learn about strings in detail. So, string is an array of characters. So, let's define a string called D and assign a value like my name is Jack. String is an array. Then, an array has a length. So, let's check what's the length of this string. Well, it's 15. So let's see what's the first element in the array. When we type 1, let's see, type 1, we get y. So in Python, the array elements start with 0, m. So to get m, we have to type d0. It returns the first element, and d1 returns the second element in the array. Likewise, if we type d14, it returns the last element in the array because the array is of length 15. So how to get the first 5 elements of this string? We have to type d0 to 5. The first element should be 0 and the 5 indicates the 5 elements. So it will return my space na. Then let's see what will happen if we don't put like this. If we type like this, what we'll get is the first 3 elements. How to get the last 2 elements of the string? Well, when we type like this with -2, we get the last 2 elements of this D string. Now let's see what will happen if we type something like this, D multiplied by 2. The string is printed twice, and then there are some functions we can use on strings. For example, we can type D log. All the characters are converted to lowercase, and same is there for uppercase. When you type d dot upper, all the letters, all the characters are converted to uppercase. Then there's another function called d replace. For example, we can replace a with, we'll say I. All the a's are replaced with I. Then there's another function called d split. So let's see what happened. This string is splitted by the spaces into 4 elements, and this is a list. So we'll assign d1 d split, and we'll see what the d1 is. So it's a list. Now before learning about list, we learn about other numerical type variables. One is int. So we can assign x equals 6. This is a int. So we'll check the type. So it's int. Then we can assign x equal and check the type. It's a float. Then let's type this now let's check what this is. It's a float. It is written in the scientific method. Then let's say we have another variable like this, and we'll check the type. Well, it's a complex number. And again, also we can define booleans or maybe octal numbers, hexadecimal numbers in the same manner. So it will print octal number 9. Then another important thing you have to learn in using data types is casting. So what is casting? For example, define a variable called x with value 10.4. This is a float variable, and if you want to convert this variable into integer, x is casted into integer and y is 10. We can do the same vice versa. So you have 10 value 10 in y variable, and if you want to convert y into a float, what you have to do is float cast y. And let's see what happens. Now decimal value is added. And also if you want to convert y into a string, what you have to do is put like this, then it's a string. Let's recapture what we learned today. First we learn about strings. String is an array. We can apply multiplication and also we can add parts. Since string is an array, each character, a letter in a string can be called referring to its array element number. For example, if we want to get the first element, we have to get the 0th element. There are functions that can be done on string: lower, upper, replace, and split. There are many other data types available in Python. For example, int, float, complex, octal, likewise. When we call type function, we can get the type of the data type. And if we want to convert from one data type to another, we can use casting. For example, we can cast a float number into integer, an integer number into float. Thank you for watching our video and stay subscribed with Bloom for next lessons.